Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind, imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. No matter how they toss the dice,
What the heck was that? You were supposed to catch me!
But there was $1 on the ground, and it just was...
It doesn't matter! Am I worth $1 to you?
Stop yelling at me! It's not my fault! I can't handle this! I can't work with this! What? I'm going to my trailer.
Good,
It's ridiculous.
I don't want your man hands on me anymore!
Oh, don't you talk about my man hands, don't you bring those up.
And rough.
You know
I told you to put lotion on them, they were man hands!
Oh my God, I can't work with this!